Number 8, you were asked to sketch the relation. Now, to sketch the relation, you need to first of all identify the type of quadratic that you're dealing with, and then work out the different parameters that they need. So for example, for A, we have here a plus, and it's equal to a positive. That means that this is a circle or ellipse. And we know this is an ellipse because of the compression and expansion on the x and y are different. So the first thing I'm going to do is first of all find out the a and b values. So I'm going to divide both sides by 36. So dividing, I have 4 over 36, that simplifies to 1 over 9. 9 over 36 simplifies to 1 over 4. And that's equal to 1. So the a value is equal to 3, and b is equal to 2. And the center is going to be based on the translation. The center coordinate is going to be at 3 and positive 2. So when we graph this, we first of all identify the center. So I've got the graph here, 3, positive 2, and then we use the a and b values as our x-axis radius and y-axis radius. So the a value is 3, so we count 3 from the right to the right and left from that center, and then the b being 2, we're going to go up 2, down 2, and with those 4 points we can sketch in that ellipse. C, we take a look at that, and again the first thing we want to do is identify the type of quadratic. It's a minus here and it's negative, so it is a hyperbola. Now in this case, when we divide, we're going to end up with I'm going to switch it around, y plus 4 squared over, that's 4 over 36, so that becomes 1 over 9. That becomes positive, and the x term becomes negative, so it becomes x plus 5 squared all over 36, and that's equal to positive 1. Okay, so there's a few ways we could do this. We could write this as x squared minus y squared equals negative, which is a trans y hyperbola. Or we can switch it around, y squared minus x squared equals positive 1. In either case, it's the trans is y. So the hyperbola is going to open up and down. Identify the a and b values. So a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3. What that a and b value does is allows us to get the vertex coordinates and also the slope of the asymptotes. So I'm going to, first of all, whoops, I got the a and b's mixed up. No, I got the a and b's correct. Okay, so I've got trans y. I'm going to identify the center. The center coordinate is going to be at -4, -5. Okay, so there's my center coordinate at -4, -5. And then I'm going to use the a and b values. I know it's trans y, so I'm going to use the b value of 3. I go 3 up and 3 down from that center to locate the vertices. So that vertex is going to be at -5, -1, -5, -7. The next thing I'm going to do is work out the slopes. So the slope is going to be plus minus b over a, so plus minus 1/2. Once I have the slope, I can get my asymptotes. It's going to be y equals 1/2, and I'm just going to use a point slope form. So center at -5, -4. The other slope is going to be y equals -1/2, -5, -4. So I'm just using the center coordinate of the hyperbola. Those are my 2 asymptotes. So I've drawn in the asymptotes here. Once I have the asymptotes, I have the vertex. I can sketch in the graph, just following along the trans y, following the asymptotes from the vertex.